my heart was with PTV. The other stations are there for profit, for ratings. We are in the business of public service. We are in the business of listening. We are ready to listen to the bitten whispers of our people.
PTV, you have really served this country well for the past half century, and it's amazing that you continue to do so with so much passion because you continue to be of selfless service to others. That is proof enough that you really are a change maker in the Philippines para sa mga Pilipino.
It's also the perception of people that PTV before was just maybe a sleepy government channel, but they didn't realize that it is also a vehicle to create change, to deliver public services, to inspire people that the government is listening. There is no station that is perfect, but at the heart of every TV station is the people. It's really all about the people. Kaya nga People's Television Network.
Tunghayan natin ang kanilang pagbabalik-tanaw sa unang tahanang humubog sa kanila bilang mamamahayag. Abangan ang Kwentong PTV Special Documentary ngayong Hunyo dito sa inyong pambansang TV.